Knowing which version of Windows you are using is crucial for troubleshooting, installing software, and ensuring compatibility with various applications. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you determine which Windows version you have on your computer. Method 1. Using System Properties, open the Start menu. Click on the Start button in the lower left corner of your screen. Access Settings. Click on the gear icon to open the Settings menu. Navigate to System in the Settings window. Click on System. About. Scroll down and select About from the left-hand side menu. Check Windows specifications here. You will find your Windows Edition, version, Windows build. Method 2. Using the Run command, open the Run dialog, press Windows key R on your keyboard. Enter the command type WinVer and press Enter. View the information. A new window will pop up displaying your Windows version and build number. Method 3. Using Command Prompt, open Command Prompt, press Windows key X and select Command Prompt or Windows PowerShell from the menu. Type the command, enter System Info and press Enter. Read the results, look for the OS name and OS version in the list of information displayed. Understanding the Information Edition, this tells you which version of Windows you have, such as Windows 10 Home,